Hi, this is Brother Barnes, and in a previous video I showed you how to make assignments in MyLabandMastering. Here they are. Some of them are kind of out of order. Notice that I have 15 through 27 relatively in order. I have a pre-lab assignment, and then I have a cat dissection. What I want to do is not just have these in assignments where people can see them, but in modules, because I want the students to use modules to guide themselves through my class. Notice that the modules are not deployed yet. I will go over how to do that later once we get closer. I've already deployed the assignments for the first week, December 7th through 13th. Notice that I have something deployed December 9th and 3 items December 13th. Look at my click here for your assignment note. I have a MyLabandMastering intro online activity is due midweek. That's the 9th. And the remainder of your MyLabandMastering assignments this week, chapter 15 through 17, are due on Sunday. Always check due dates for your assignments. I will add and modify that as I deploy more assignments. I want to do a respondents lockdown prep quiz in this week as well, so I'll go over how to do that later. Let's work on this week 2 for just a moment, and I'm going to click here for my assignments, and I'm going to go ahead and kind of add in some instructions here I have copied from that first week, so we're going to modify it, and I'm going to say your MyLabandMastering assignments this week, which will be chapters 18 through 20, 18 through 20, are due on Saturday. And it might be important to highlight that because last week they had stuff due on different days. Your midterm test is at home this week. It's going to be due on Sunday. Okay. Okay, let's just go with that for right now. If we need to go back and modify, we will in just a moment. Let's go back to modules. And for this second week, December 20th is on a Sunday. That's correct. That's the midterm. Is that what we said? Yes, perfect. Okay, let's go back to modules. We're going to add 18 through 20 real fast, and then we'll be done. Just want to show you how this works. Just click plus, and it's going to be an assignment. So we're going to add 18, and we are going to add 19. Yes, and we're going to add 20. 20. Very good. I want to put the midterm after it. It is dated after these other assignments. Again, notice that these are not deployed yet, and once I get really close to being ready, or once I'm ready, I will click to deploy these so that the students will be able to view these and see these when they open the class. That is how to deploy assignments. These are MyLabandMastering assignments. These are online homework assignments that they will do in addition to the face-to-face component that we will have. There is also a midterm this week, and by the way, I specified all of this, and I go back and go over it like a fine-tooth comb. Make sure that I am specific and tell it, and tell it again. Keep up the good work. Keep going.